Hey, what's up people, and welcome to another Microsoft Word 2019 tutorial. This is lesson 11, and in this lesson we are going to learn about another tool that Microsoft Word 2019 has to offer, and that is Zoom. Let's get right into it. As I said, in this session we are going to learn about Zoom dialog box. In previous sessions we talked about views, immersive reader, page movement, and show section. And in today's lesson, we will be talking about Zoom section. The tools in this section allow you to change how your pages of a document are viewed. Zooming in and out of a page will not edit your document or apply any changes to your document. It's just like bringing a page closer to you so you can read it better. The first option is called Zoom. You see that Zoom icon? The magnifying glass? That's the one. Let's click on it. It opens a dialog box. In this box, you can pick the zoom of the page on percentage scale or use the default options. But before getting more into details of this section, let's just, take a step back and see how else we can open this dialog box. You see this slider bar on bottom right hand side? By clicking on plus and minus, you can zoom in or zoom out. 100% that is shown there is actually the standard mode, the standard and default mode of viewing a document. Any amount bigger than 100% is zooming in, and smaller than 100% is zooming out. Let's click on zooming. As you can see, it zooms in. And let's click on minus. We can zoom out. You can also drag and slide it to zoom in and zoom out. Now, let's go back to Zoom dialog box. Okay, we're gonna click on zoom again. Another way of opening this dialog box is using zoom level. Bottom right hand side, zoom level, let's click on it. Okay, it opens the same dialog box. So we know a couple of ways to open this dialog box. Now for example, if you click on 200%, your document views 2 times bigger. 75%, well obviously it's going to view it smaller. Or you can use this box, the percent box. You can actually use these arrows up and down to zoom in and zoom out, or you can just punch in the amount you want, the percentage you want. On top of that, there are a couple of default options. The first one, page width. So by choosing page width, your document fits the whole screen and it's best for reading your document. The next one is text width. By clicking on this, you get rid of all the toolbars and menus, and this option is good if you got the display with very high resolution. The next one, whole page option. Whole page shows one page of your document, but it shows that page completely. You can use this option to see the outline of your document, the pictures, where they are located, headlines and titles of your document. The next one, many pages. Let's click on many pages. You can use this option if you would like to view a couple of pages at the same time. Let's click on this icon right below many pages. Let's click on it. It opens a drop down. You can choose a number of pages that you would like to view at the same time and how to view them. You can hover your mouse on the page icons that you see and then left click when you're happy, and it shows the number of pages you've selected. For example, we can pick 6 pages, and when you click on it, click on 6 and then click OK. Boom, 6 pages of your documents are shown. The next feature that we have is 100%. Let's click on 100%. By clicking on 100%, your zoom level gets back to standard and default mode. The next one page. One page is very similar to whole text or whole page. It shows one page of your document completely. The next option is going to be multiple pages. By choosing this option, it will show a couple of pages of your document at the same time. And the last option we have is page width. That we talked about that earlier in this lesson. Page width zooms in to the extent that the width of the document fits the width of the software environment. Okay, this is the end of our lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and click on the bell button so you'll be notified as soon as we drop a new video. And if you would like to check the next video, you can see it on the right hand side and the previous lesson on the left hand side. Peace.